Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change pronouns on Instagram. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to our Instagram app and basically we need just to click on Instagram and make sure that you are logged in to your account. So here we are going just to wait for the app to load and that's it. So after the page is loaded, after that, make sure that you are logged in and then you will need just to go to the settings. So basically, you will need just to click on the settings from profile. By going to your profile, you will find this navigation bar or nav menu. From here, you will find settings and privacy. By clicking here, you will find things about your profile, and to do so, you will need just to go to the account centers. And then you will need just to change your personal details. By clicking on account center, you will need just to choose personal details that you want to change. And from there, you can change your personal details. But if you want to change only your pronouns, you will need just to go back to your profile so you can be able just to change your pronouns. So from edit profile, you will click now, and then you will search for gender or pronouns. From here in the pronouns, you can add any pronoun that you would like, and basically after that you will be able to have new pronouns or change your previous pronouns, etc. And of course you can change other things like the name, username, and your bio, etc. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you in next tutorials.